Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Hire button in Behance. To begin, open Behance in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, since the Hire option is tied directly to your profile settings. Once the site loads, you'll be ready to access the tools that control your availability for work. Next, look for the option to switch to Creative and click it. This is an important part of the process because it takes you into the creator-focused side of Behance, where profile and hiring settings are available. If you don't see the right profile tools at first, this switch usually helps bring the correct workspace into view. After that, click on your Behance profile. This will open your public profile page, which is where the Hire button and availability settings are managed. It's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're on the right profile before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one account or Adobe profile. Once you're on your profile page, click on Turn on Availability. This setting tells Behance that you're open to opportunities, and it's the key action that enables the platform to display your hiring status more clearly to potential clients or employers. In many cases, this is what activates the hire-related visibility on your profile. You'll then be asked to choose the type of work you're available for. First, click on the Freelance button. Select this if you want to be considered for project-based, short-term, or independent client work. This helps people viewing your profile understand that you're open to freelance opportunities. Then click on the Full-Time and Contract button. This lets Behance know that you're also open to longer-term roles or contract positions. Choosing both options can broaden the range of opportunities you may receive, especially if you're flexible in the kind of work arrangement you want. Finally, click on Save Availability. This confirms your selections and applies the changes to your profile. Once saved, your availability settings should be updated, and your Behance profile will better signal to visitors that you're open for work. After completing these steps, it's worth taking a quick look at your profile to make sure everything appears the way you expect. Keeping your availability updated is a simple but effective way to make your profile more useful to recruiters, collaborators, and clients. That's it. You've successfully added the Hire button in Behance.